Hello and welcome to our unboxing of a PIXI mystery bundle. We appreciate you taking the time to take a look with us. This is our first mystery bundle. It was $25 with a stated value of $46. So let's see what we got. First up, we have the Endless Silky Eye pen, and I'm leaving this packaged up. This is going to go in the Find a Future Home box. We are noticing that they did a collab with Hello Kitty, and this is from that collab as based upon the pink bow on the box. I'm looking to see if there's a shade for this. London Fog, Endless Sky Silky Pen, London Fog. We have a satin lip tint in the shade Adore. That is gonna be a fun one. I would open it, but I've got too much stuff open, so this one's gonna have to wait its turn, but I look forward to trying this one out. This is the PIXI Hydrating Milky Mist. I think it has hyaluronic and oat in it. Let's double check that. PIXI Hello Kitty Hydrating Milky Mist, Hyaluronic Acid, and Oat. You were correct. This looks like fun. Both from the Hello Kitty standpoint, yeah, I know, at my age, I shouldn't be liking Hello Kitty. Well, I do. And I think you give it a little shake. This I'm going to hang on to for when the weather warms up. I do sometimes use a face mist if my skin feels a little bit dry, but in the wintertime, not so much. I like this in the summertime. These types of products make a very nice refresher during the day if you're feeling a little hot. Excited for this one. They also gave us a clear makeup bag, and there's a little PIXI symbol on the front. I like the clear bags because then I can see what I've put in it. So if I'm switching from one bag to another and just want to pick this up and move it, I know what's in it. I don't have to go digging through to figure it out. And it's a decent size. I can get my whole hand in there, so it's a decent size. But wait, there's more. Because we ordered this at the same time we ordered the advent calendar that we reviewed, they sent us 2 free gifts. So we have a tiny perfume sample that, I gotta say, I don't think it's my favorite, but it's not horrendous. This is PIXI, and it is PIXI Mimosa. So we have an itty bitty little sample. Not my favorite scent, yet not something that I would definitely say I'm putting aside. So keep this around. Yeah, it's kind of fun. It's a little on the fruity side and a little on the perfumey side, which I guess kind of makes sense. We also got a box of sheet masks. Oh, wow. And I did double check on the website because at first I thought this was part of the mystery bundle. As near as I can tell, for a $25 bundle, this is a free gift. Wow. Yeah. So this is the PIXI Hello Kitty A for Apples. Has vitamin A in it. Also has vitamin C, and it has apple extract. And there are 3 facial sheet masks in here. Oh, wow, how fun. Yes, so keep your eyes peeled for a Mask Monday down the line, we're going to use one of these. What are they supposed to do? Biodegradable sheet mask leverage the power of vitamin A found in apples, which we and Hello Kitty adore. Multivitamin serum formula instantly promotes the appearance of a youthful-looking skin. Ooh, how fun. And decided that her top 3 items from all of this are the hydrating mist, the lip tint, and the face masks. What did you see that you liked? Let us know, let us know. Inquiring camels want to know. Did you get one of these? They are still available on the website, at least at the time that we are recording this. Taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty. Now, because we ordered this at the same time as the Advent calendar, we didn't have to pay any shipping. And as near as we can tell, the eyeliner is $12, the lip tint is $14, the mist is $15, and the bag I am guesstimating to be $5. That way, when I add that part up, I come up with the $46 stated value. However, the perfume sample, we can't put a value on that. That's just too small. The sheet masks retail on their website for $10. So that would then raise our overall value to $56. Hey, that's pretty neat. Yeah. Thanks for taking the time today. We appreciate that. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Hit that notification bell. We got all kinds of stuff coming up this year. And we hope to see you in another video. Thanks for watching.